Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pocket back in the video. Today we're going to have a look at the Mixcoder E9 active wireless noise cancelling headphones. So let's go through it. So these headphones, as the name suggests, they are budget active noise cancelling headphones. Thanks to its advanced wide frequency range equalizer adjusts to counteract bandwidth, meaning that all the background noise while you're wearing your headphones will be kept at minimum, meaning that you can use these headphones to do your work without getting almost any distraction. The most important thing about these headphones, alongside to the noise cancellation technologies, is also its long battery life. Finally, you can listen to your own music for up to 30 hours with only one charge, with only 2 hours of total charge time, meaning that you can wear your headphones and play music constantly for more than 1 day. So these headphones cost £55 from Amazon. Of course, we can't go away without discussing about the design of these headphones, including the glossy plate on each side of these headphones, which makes them look really cool. However, you may be careful of thumbprints which can be left on the top of it. And also you have the leathers which are built out of protein, so that means that instead of using leather from animals, you build them from artificial products, making them a lot cheaper and also better for the environment. And of course, they work much better for noise cancellation purposes. Also, you have few controls, including volume up and volume down button. Of course, you have the charger, and also you have the headphone jack as well. And of course, you have a switch to enable the active noise cancellation technology. Despite these headphones cannot fold like some other headphones which I have been reviewing on my channel on my previous videos, that's why you're provided with a traveling case, meaning that you can put your headphones safe and making them non-vulnerable to damage at all. Just before I forget, you're also provided with a free airplane adapter, meaning that you can enjoy your music without having to worry whether you have charged your headphones or not. Also as well, you have the charger and of course a free headphone jack cables. As always, I use a guide just in case if you're lost. Now let's see a very quick demo of how you can connect these headphones to your iPhone or Android device. So you go to your settings and then you switch on Bluetooth, but also you please make sure that you have turned on your headphones as well. So you need to hold down the power button until you hear a voice power on. There you go. So you see the LED flashing over here. It's a blue color. As soon as you hear pairing, then that means that the device is going to be discoverable by your mobile devices. So you should see the name saying Mixcoder E9, which is the model. So you should collect that, and as you can see, it says connected. So that means that you can play music on your headphones. And now you can finally enjoy your 30 hours of continuous music by listening to your favorite song or maybe watching our latest video. Okay, so now we got all the features and the functionalities out of the way. Now let's compare the £55 headphones to the Apple Solo3 headphones, which cost £250. And definitely they're not cheap. So for the Apple headphones, as you can see, they're more compact, but I really don't like the style of the bag because it's quite soft, and if you squeeze it, then you may end up squeezing the headphones and you may break them eventually. Well, with the Mixcoder E9, this is a harder case, and definitely if you squeeze it a bit, it's not going to damage your headphones, but if you squeeze a lot, I mean if you put a lot of weight on them, then definitely you may cause damage to them. Another thing I would like to compare is that the battery life of these bad boys. So you have 40 hours battery life on the Apple Solo3 headphones, as well as if you charge them for 5 minutes, you're gonna get 3 hours of battery life. So this is called super fast charge in the beginning, while on these boys you got only 30 hours of battery life. But if you see the analogy, this costs 5 times less than the Apple headphones. Looking at them, as you can see, the Apple Beats Solo3 are smaller than the Mixcoder E9. But also, if you notice that this is only the caps which are smaller, the endpoints. While here, the reason why these are bigger is because you can fit the ear better in here. So that means you're going to get a better cancellation technology and also a less distraction while listening to the music. While on the Apple earphones, the space where you can put your ear is pretty small, and it can also be very tight if you have a small head. And that's why I stopped using them and decided to move on to cheaper alternatives. Also, comparing the design, both of them seem to have a pretty good design, pretty solid design, but definitely having a 250-pound headphones, the design is not the best design that you ever see in those expensive headphones. Okay, right now using the Mixcoder E9 headphones, I'm very surprised on how well the sound quality is and also how enjoyable is listening to the music by using these headphones. And since the headphones are larger, it definitely prevents any sort of background noise to reach through your ear. You may still be able to hear some mumbling in the background, but you won't be able to understand anything. While using the Beats Solo3 headphones, the sound quality is still very good and still prevents any sort of background noise reaching your ear, but they're not as good as the Mixcoder E9. The sound quality may be controlled slightly better, but still, I will go with the Mixcoder E9 for the whole experience. Now, if you ask me which of these headphones you will go for regardless of price, I will go with the Mixcoder E9. The Beats Solo3, despite having the W1 chip making them easier to connect with all Apple devices at once, as well as having a longer battery life and being smaller, they still lack of comfort because I tried them before and after 20 minutes I will feel pain in my ears because they will squeeze my ears in, while the Mixcoder E9, they may have less battery life, but as a whole experience, better noise cancellation and good sound quality definitely win the match. And that pretty much brings you to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of headphones are you using right now to listen to this video, or perhaps what kind of brand of headphones do you currently have. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, as well as make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell right next to it in order to receive the latest videos in our channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.